Hi guys, so today let's make this delicious egg sauce. I have my onions, tomato, pepper, egg, cucumber, spring onions, green onions, and carrots. So after dicing everything, you're going to break your egg. So after breaking your egg, you're going to mix the egg. Make sure to mix the egg very well. So do not add any salt to the egg because you'll be adding it to the pan when you're making the egg sauce. So now when you're done mixing the egg, just get a pan, add it to the fire, add oil to the pan, then the onions will be going in first. That's the normal onions, so not the spring onions. The onions will be going in first. Allow it to fry, and when it fries or when it's done frying, don't allow it burn. I said allow it fry, not allow it burn. After that, you're going to add your pepper, your rodo. Is it rodo? Yeah, pepper sha, like this pepper you see me adding. Your fresh pepper, yes, fresh pepper. You add your fresh pepper. You allow it to fry also. Now after that, you're going to add your green pepper. At this stage, some people want to add the tomato, but me, I would go with the green pepper first, or else it is just pepper and tomato you have. You don't have green pepper or any of those stuffs. But if you have green pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper, and all of those pepper, at this stage, this is when you're going to add it. So after adding it, you allow it to fry also. Then you add your tomato, your fresh tomato to it. So after adding your fresh tomato, tomato carries water, so you have to allow it to fry also. Allow all the water in it go out and allow it to fry very well. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Also, please kindly help us share this video so that other people can see and learn how to make egg sauce. Or maybe you've been making your egg sauce a different way, but trust me, you would want to try my method because you will end up licking your whole fingers and everybody in the house will end up begging you to always cook this. Anyways, so let us continue. So now the tomato is almost ready, so I'm going to be adding my spring onions next. I'm going to be adding my spring onions to it. So as I'm adding everything, I'm allowing them fry a bit before adding the next one. So yeah, I'm adding my this is my spring onions. Now I'm adding to the pan. I'll allow it fry a bit also. Then I'm going to add my carrots to it, although the carrot is not actually compulsory. If you want, you can add carrots. If you want, no need. On the norms gone, you can just do the normal fresh pepper, fresh tomato, onions, oil, and then your egg straight up. But if you want to add other veg to it, no wahala, you can. But if not, all these are not actually should I say compulsory or necessary, not really. So if you don't have all this, you can make do with your fresh pepper, fresh tomato, onions, oil, and egg. So let us continue. And after adding all of that, after adding your carrots, you're going to add your I'm adding my what's it called, black pepper. So yeah, I love adding black pepper to my food. So yeah, I added my black pepper. So after adding the black pepper, this is salt I just added to it. So you add your salt to it. After adding your salt to it, then you add your spice. It is Maggi, but people say I should stop calling it Maggi. I should be calling it spice. So yeah, after adding your salt, you add your spice to it. Then you just mix and allow it to fry for a bit. So now that we've added everything, at this point you should have added everything you want to add to it, to the pan, to the frying pan. So after adding everything and allowing it fry a bit, then you get to your eggs, because it's the egg that will be going in next. Please, before adding your egg, make sure the fire is on low heat. Make sure it is on low heat. In case it wasn't on low heat before, you actually have to reduce the heat before adding your egg, because when you add your egg, you're not actually going to turn immediately, so it doesn't burn. So make sure the fire is on low heat. So now you're going to add your egg. Make sure to pour it round, and do not turn it immediately. Just allow it sit for like 1 to 2 minutes. Allow it sit, but as you're allowing it sit, make sure you're shaking it so it doesn't end up burning. So you would see me stylishly using the spoon to check under to make sure it's actually not burning. So allow it sit for a while before turning, and make sure it is on low heat. Make sure it is on low heat. I keep repeating that so that it doesn't burn, because this is egg you're frying. So make sure it's on low heat. So yeah, this is me stylishly checking and stylishly removing it from the down so it doesn't burn. Allowing the oil go down while the egg come up so that it doesn't burn. So after like 1 to 2 minutes, I'm just going to like turn everything together, because at that time it has already started forming. So I'm just going to like turn everything together. So yeah, this is it. So you just turn, so you're done turning everything together, and then you allow it fry again for a bit before removing it from the fire. Allow it fry well before removing it from the fire. So now, yeah, that is how to make your egg sauce. So you can eat this with bread, you can eat this with yam, you can eat this with rice. I don't know what else you can eat this with, but I'm very sure you can't eat this with eba. But yeah, you can eat this with bread, rice, and yam. Those are the 3 things I know you can eat this with. Or if you just feel like eating it with maybe biscuits, you can eat it with biscuit or cookies or any of the above. Or you can even eat it like that, if you just feel like eating what's it called, egg sauce like that. Yeah, so those are the things you can actually eat it with. So yep. At this stage, I hope you've liked already. I hope you've commented. Let us know what you think about our egg sauce. Let us know if you will be trying this. Also, we don't mind. Let us know your name and where you're watching from so we can make a shout out to you. Say yeah, that is our egg sauce, and look at how beautiful this is looking. It came out beautiful and came out nice, and trust me, if you make it exactly this way, trust me, you're going to enjoy it, and you're always going to want to keep making it every day, because this is actually very delicious, and there's nobody I've made this egg sauce for that I didn't compliment. Like, what? Yeah. So trust me, you will love to try this. Thanks for watching.